Hey guys, this is Cuisinart here reviewing the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro saucepan here. This is the 1.5 quart size, and also it comes with a stainless steel lid as with the stainless steel body. This model is also induction ready, so you do have that flat induction stove top. You can also use this pot. So I decided to pick this up because, first of all, it has a lot of great reviews on Amazon. It's made by a famous brand, and it doesn't break the bank. It's under 20 bucks when I bought it. So this should be a steal, right? So after I opened the box, it was just a regular deal, the actual product, and also the paperwork, warranty, some helpful tips in using this. However, with a little closer perusal, I did notice a little bit of imperfections at the connection points, but I didn't really think that was too much of a big deal. And on the Amazon listing, it does have it as an 1810 stainless steel, which is a very stain-resistant alloy of stainless steel. However, nowhere on the actual product or the box does it actually say 1810 stainless steel, so I'm thinking that this is a lower quality alloy. And after just a few uses, that pretty much confirmed my theory. As you can see, it's covered with this white film from just boiling water. Honestly, I've only used this for two things: boiling eggs and boiling spinach. And you can see here at the edge here, there's also a little bit of green residue stuck onto the sides of this pot too. And no matter how hard I try to wash it off, it just still has this white, milky, nasty residue on it. So needless to say, I'm going to be returning this saucepan. I don't know what is up with Cuisinart in this product, but I definitely do not recommend picking up the saucepan. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Cuisinart if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Cuisinart. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Cuisinart. Thanks for watching.